Getting an error code 4 here in your Blomberg dishwasher, and is it not draining? If so, you will need to replace your drainage pump. Apparently they do break quite easily if something gets through the filter, so if that is the case, you will have to replace it. Today we are going to replace the water drainage pump for a Blomberg dishwasher, models DWT-25504SS and DWT-25502SS, or any other DWT model. Here's our pump, and please note this is the part number. Before you start any work on your dishwasher, you need to shut off the water supply, which most often is underneath your sink, and definitely, please do not forget to unplug the power. Very important. Luckily, in this particular model, the drainage pump is actually in the front of the dishwasher. So I've already removed the decorative plate, the one that makes it look nice with your counters. But behind that plate is another plate, and all you have to do is unscrew 4 screws, these smaller ones on the outside, to get to the pump. When you're removing the plate, remove it carefully because you've got these 2 terminals that are attached. The green wire and the white wire, and you just pull them out, and now you can pull it out with the hose. Now we have access to the pump, and as you can see, this one also has a terminal that needs to be pulled out. Okay, now it gets a little tricky. You have to press on these tabs. There's one here and there's one in the back, which I've already pressed, and then you turn it counterclockwise to remove. And here's the dirty old pump. Okay, so now I've taken the new pump and I've just replaced it exactly as the old one was and turned it clockwise. And so now that it's in place, just attach the terminals. You got the multicolored one, and then the green wire goes on top of the plate, and the white one on the bottom. And then you close it up and give it a spin and hope that everything works perfectly. Now to test it, it's probably best to do a quick wash, which is P4. So you turn it on and just hit the button till you get to 4 and start, and hope for the best.